AI is booming, you see it everywhere, ChatGPT spitting out articles, Midjourney making crazy art. But while most people are just using these tools, smart creators are making serious money selling the prompts themselves. Think about it, not everyone knows how to talk to AI, it's like having a Ferrari but not knowing how to drive stick. These prompts are the keys to unlocking that power. And the best part, no coding, no design skills, just text equals cash, straight up. We're talking about pulling in an extra 100, 200, even more every single day. If that sounds good to you, you're in the right place. This is legit internet income, where we break down the hottest online money-making strategies. If you're ready to cash in on the AI wave, hit like, share this video with your crew, and subscribe right now. Let's get into it. Here's the deal. AI tools are powerful. They can write you a blog post in seconds, create stunning visuals, even compose music. But here's the catch. Most people don't know how to talk to these AI tools. It's like having a Lamborghini, but not knowing how to drive stick shift. This is where prompts come in. A prompt is basically the instruction you give to the AI. Want a blog post about making money online? The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the output you'll get from the AI, and that's what people are willing to pay for, that shortcut. Think about it, someone wants to create a logo for their new business. They could spend hours messing around in Canva, or days going back and forth with the designer, or they could buy a pack of Midjourney logo prompts that are practically guaranteed to give them amazing results in minutes. That's the power of a well-crafted prompt. It takes the guesswork out of using AI and delivers incredible results, and people are happy to pay for that convenience and quality. The first step to making money with AI prompts is finding your niche. What are you good at? What do you know a lot about? What kind of prompts could you create that would get people excited? Let's say you're a copywriter. You could create prompts that help businesses generate high-converting sales emails. Or maybe you're a social media manager. You could create prompts that help people write viral Instagram captions. The possibilities are endless. Here's a tip. Think about pain points. What do people struggle with when it comes to using AI? What are they always asking for help with? Those are your golden opportunities. For example, a lot of people struggle to write effective LinkedIn headlines. You could create a pack of attention-grabbing LinkedIn headline prompts that helps people stand out from the crowd and attract more recruiters. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a hungry audience. Once you've done that, you're well on your way to creating a profitable prompt selling business. Chapter 3. Crafting Killer Prompts. Your step-by-step guide. Now comes the fun part, creating your prompts. Remember, the goal is to make them as effective and user-friendly as possible. We want people to get amazing results with minimal effort. First, choose your AI tool. Are you focusing on ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, or something else? Each tool has its own quirks and language. Next, start testing your prompts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing, keywords, and formats. The more you test, the better you'll understand what generates the best outputs. Once you've got a few solid prompts, fine-tune the language. Make them clear, concise, and easy to understand. Think about adding variations like different tones of voice or lengths of output. Finally, make your prompts copy-paste ready. The easier you make it for people to use your prompts, the happier your customers will be. Chapter 4. Packaging your prompts for maximum profit. Now that you've got a collection of killer prompts, it's time to package them up and get them ready to sell. The good news is, you don't need any fancy software or design skills. A simple PDF, Notion doc, or even a Google Doc will do the trick. Just make sure it's clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Think about your branding and messaging. What's a catchy title that will grab people's attention? How can you communicate the value of your prompts in a way that's clear and concise? Here are a few examples. 50 viral YouTube video title prompts. The ultimate resume. Prompt. Packland your dream job with AI Midjourney. Fantasy World Pack. Create breathtaking art in minutes. See how those titles instantly tell you what you're getting and the benefit you'll receive? That's what you're going for. Chapter 5. Turning text files into cash platforms to sell your prompts. With your prompt packs ready to go, it's time to choose a platform to sell them on. The beauty of this business model is that you can get started for free and there are tons of options. Gumroad is a popular choice for digital products. It's easy to use, has low fees, and allows you to sell directly to your audience. Etsy is another great option, especially if your prompts have a creative or crafty angle. Ko-Fi is a newer platform that's gaining traction. It's a great option if you want to offer your prompts as a pay-what-you-want model or set up recurring memberships. No matter which platform you choose, make sure you create a compelling listing that highlights the benefits of your prompts and includes high-quality visuals. Remember, you're selling the promise of results, so make sure your listing reflects that. So there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to making serious money selling AI prompts. If you're not a designer, not a coder, but you know how to ask smart questions, this might be your most profitable side hustle yet. Think about it. What kind of prompt would you sell? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay for? Comment below and tell me. Would you create prompts for content, branding, storytelling, art? I'm curious to hear your ideas. I'll even reply with some title ideas and pricing tips. And hey, if this video gave you a fresh idea to build passive income in 2024, like this video, share it with a fellow digital hustler, and subscribe to Legit Internet Income, where we turn smart strategies into cash every single week. I'll see you in the next video.